Hi, my name's Tom. I'm in my red dining room with kind of a silver theme. I've got a silver light fixture right there. I've got silver curtain rods, but my curtains themselves, they're white. They let a lot of light in, and it gets pretty warm in here when the sun comes in. So YoungsTex went ahead and sent me this curtain, a silver colored curtain, to go ahead and try out in here and tell you all the cool features, and that's what I'm gonna do. So first things first, you can see it does have some nice silver grommets, and that will work well on my silver curtain rod. So I'm going to go ahead, take the curtain down, slide this onto the curtain rod, and kind of take a look at the curtains themselves. And here we are 3 minutes later with our curtains now installed. I want you to see the silver grommets look great against the silver curtain rod, and I want you to also notice it's actually much darker in here. Again, these are room darkening curtains. They are not blackout curtains, so I can still see a little bit of light. I'm going to open them up a little bit, and you can see how much light they're blocking. Here's regular light, kind of bright, it's kind of a gray day outside. And here they are, they're actually blocking a fair bit of it. So when the sunlight comes in, when the heat from the sun comes in, these are going to block a lot of that. Now, because this is a dining room, I don't actually want blackout curtains because I do not want to be eating in near darkness. I want some light, but I don't want to actually necessarily have the heat from the sun, and this will work very, very well. From a light standpoint, these are the curtains we had before. You can see almost all the light comes through. These are the curtains we have now. These are the YoungsTex, and they do block a lot of light. They really are very, very nice. Let's talk about the texture. I want to show you the texture of these things. They are kind of a velvet. They're very, very soft. They're very smooth. They just look really nice. They actually almost feel like pajamas. It is only one layer because, again, it's not blackout, it's darkening, and you can kind of see it just looks really, really nice. They obviously come in different sizes and different colors. You want to make sure that you measure your window and get the right size for you. These are great big windows across the window, and they're actually down to the floor. They look really nice. They flow perfectly. The sizing is dead on. And again, I love the silver grommets. So right out of the package, you can see they actually lay pretty smooth. There's a couple little wrinkles here and there. I may go ahead and get a hand steamer and just go steaming up and down once or twice, and that should do it, but they really aren't that bad. You can actually wash these. There are some washing instructions. It's kind of like gentle, cold water, just to kind of, if you get dusty or something on them, you can kind of put them in the washing machine. You can also obviously dry them lightly, hang them, steam them. They are meant to be washed. They're actually usable curtains. They're not fine silk where they'll never ever be able to be cleaned. So these are good curtains for a regular household with kids or pets or whatever. These are really, really nice. So overall, yeah, I really like these curtains. They're very smooth. They have a nice color to them. They do block a lot of light, and they just feel and look great. So yeah, these are highly recommended.